Say the roots tell the story, oh me brethren. From the scalp to the earth where life began. Locks are grow like the vines of the ancient tree. Every strand a whisper from Jah set we free. Dreadlocks are crowned, me wear it proud. Prophecy spoken, thunder loud. The wind a chant, the fire a burn. Jah wisdom deep, every twist me earn, yeah. Them think a style, but me say it a code. Road we a try, heavy like the load. The lion roaring at the heart of the youth. Dread them a shield, dread them a truth. Me say watch the stars, them write the sign, write the sign. Past and future all combine. The dreadlocks are crowned, me wear it proud. Prophecy spoken, thunder loud. The wind a chant, the fire a burn. Jah wisdom deep, every twist me earn, yeah. Roots deep, like river them flow. Wisdom a seed in the soul it grow. Babylon shake, but we steady and firm. Dread them a teach, watch and learn. Oh Zion, oh Zion, oh Zion. Them say the journey long, but me no afraid fi trod. The road a dust, but me soul a clad. Me heart a drum, my spirit a flag. The hills a call, me Zion a glad. Oh Zion, me a chant for the heights. Oh Zion, make the darkness light. Oh Zion, the dove run deep and bright. Zion chapter, I read it tonight. Babylon a whisper, but me not take heed. Them plant the greed, but me sow me seed. Me roots a dig, them can't make it bleed. Truth a me armor, love a me creed. Them can't stop the rhythm, no. Them can't stop the flame. Oh Zion, me a chant for the heights. Oh Zion, make the darkness light. Oh Zion, the dove run deep and bright. Zion chapter, I read it tonight. Oh Zion, rivers of gold flow through the land. The lion a roar, the promise still stand. Them try but it can done. The covenant strong, the battle well won.
A whisper, it now leave me alone. Roots dig deep in the earth where me roam. At the earth it a Zion. This me oh. Me say look on the heights, look on the heights. Wisdom flow like river in the moonlight. Hills of Zion, me dream of prayer. Mountains high, rastaman care. Step by step, my spirit go higher. Hills of Zion, Jah flame my fire. 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 But me feel it close. The journey I teach are the real dose. Pretty lions sleep where the tree them grow. Faith a me guide, me never walk slow. Me say chant to the sky, chant to the sky. The stars them a wink, the spirits reply. Hills of Zion, me dream me prayer. Mountains high, rastaman care. Step by step, me spirit go higher. Hills of Zion, Jah flame my fire. 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 Hills of Zion, Jah flame my fire.
Them drum beat echo like thunder roll. Wisdom whisper from the ancient soul. Carry the story, make the young heart soul. Hear it, feel it, let it take control. At the drum tap, hear it run tap. Ancient rhythm make your heart walk. Truth in the beat, truth in the beat. Listen close, it make your spirit meet. At the drum tap, hear it run tap. Ancient rhythm make your heart walk. Truth in the beat, truth in the beat. Listen close, it make your spirit meet. Bingy firelight, the smoke arise. Under the moon, stars guide the skies. Them say the truth can't hide, can't disguise. Chant rhythm make your heart walk. Truth inna the beat, truth inna the beat. Listen close, it make your spirit meet. Bumba bum say the Congo call. Babylon wall now go stand tall. Them things fall, them things fall. The drum say unity for all.
Say the mouth of truth can't shut. Babylon be lie, but them roots not cut. Me walk on the fire with me heart in hand. The ancestors whisper, me still overstand. Chant for the last one, chant for the pain. Chant for the sun when it rise again. Chant for the struggle, chant for the fight. Chant for the stars we light up the night. The river them dry, but the spirit still flow. A tree with no fruit can't reap where it sow. Me say the lion them roar, but them cage still tight. Yeah, Jah make the darkness bow to the light. Oh, me say rise up,